In this video, we'll look at the tag data context function. This function returns the oldest and latest timestamp of the tags, along with their last value and quality. To start, click the Tag Data Context button. If the tag list isn't selected prior to choosing the function, we can do so after the fact by highlighting the tags we want to input. Then select the Set button. Next, we can choose to display the column headers. Then decide which columns we want to include. Finally, determine if you want the output to be vertical or horizontal. Then set the output location. Let's output the results to C1. Click OK to close the menu. Here we can see all 4 columns displaying the oldest and latest timestamp for each of the tags, along with their latest value and quality. That's all for tag data context. Thanks for watching.